This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carrie Henning. Beautiful southern exposure pool home in desirable southwest Cape Coral. This 3-bedroom 2-bath home with a den offers a double-door entry, great open floor plan, volume ceilings and lots of natural light. Split bedroom plan with added barn door to offer your guests a private retreat. Spacious den off of the living room with French doors can make for a great office, craft or play room. Kitchen features 42 inches wood cabinets with soft closed doors, large island with seating, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Large dining area off of the kitchen. Laundry room with storage. Primary bedroom offers 2 walk-in closets, tray ceiling and access to the lanai and pool. Primary bath has dual sinks, a commode room and a large walk-in shower. Great room opens to the screened lanai and heated sparkling pool, with paver deck and extended sun area. Fenced backyard, irrigation system and Floratam grass. New roof in 2023. Double garage with storage. Screened entry. Nicely landscaped. Not in a flood zone. Great location close to everything. Easy to show. For more information, review the details below.